Mercedes-Benz is preparing for the premiere of an all-new GLC. The test vehicles have already been repeatedly spotted, and from the spy photos Colsa.ru has sent us some renders to see what the new GLC will look like. The new generation will receive an evolutionary makeover in line with the brand's current style. On the technical side, the new Mercedes will largely overlap with the relatively recently introduced new generation C-Class. The crossover will also get turbocharged 4-cylinder engines in hybrid versions, both mild and rechargeable. There will also be a powerful AMG 63 version. The 63 AMG will be equipped with a hybrid 2-liter 4-cylinder engine which could generate nearly 600 horsepower. The premiere of the new Mercedes-Benz GLC is expected sometime this year, and we will have full details when it is revealed.